my tulips, welcome back. Yes, it is Bliss Boo. How you doing? So today's video is going to be a super short review of this new product that I've tried only one time before. So I decided that if I was going to do it a second time, let me do it on camera. So as you guys can see, your girl face is fully beat, honey. But today we're going to clean all that makeup out of my pores by utilizing the Biore charcoal cleanser. Yes, so this is my first time trying Biore products ever, so you guys will really want to see what my true thoughts are about this product. So let's get into it. So basically what this product serves as is a deep pore cleanser. Okay, so it's going to suction out all that bad stuff, dirt, whatever that's out there in the atmosphere that gets into our pores. A good thing I like about this product, you guys, is that you get a lot of bang for your buck. This is a 6.77 floral ounce. As you guys can see, I have used very little of this product because all it takes is just a little bit. Okay, this product is also affordable. I paid about $6 and change, so you're not breaking the bank. A little bit about charcoal is that it helps draws out bacteria, poisons, chemicals in your everyday outside activities, so I really like that. Another great thing is the directions on the back are very big for you to read, and it's sweet and simple. You don't have to read a whole paragraph. So what I did was I cleaned off that makeup with soap and water. Now I'm going in with the Biore. You can see the texture is kind of watery like, but it's gray or black like charcoal. Per the directions, I'm just massaging each one to my face. By the way, ladies and gents, if you're not following me on Instagram, check me out there because I'm constantly posting there, more so than I am on Twitter. So you guys, as I am massaging the products in, I can already feel some sensation going on, and I don't know if I'm excited about that sensation or not. It's kind of like a shock factor because it definitely was not expecting it. So 2 minutes later, after I have washed the product completely off my face definitely feels as though it has been detoxified a lot. However, right off the bat, I felt something that I'm not really pleased about, and I saw something. So this is what I saw. I don't know if the camera really captures it really good or not, but both sides of my cheeks were irritated. They were pink, they were red, and they were burning. I had a stinging sensation and not a tingling sensation, so that's not a good thing. However, my pores did look really clean, but because of that burning sensation, I'm not so sure this will be something I will purchase again. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you two in the next one. Smooth cheese.